Okay, today we're gonna do a difference. This is a 3-gallon air compressor, 110 max psi, right? This is the 3-gallon Campbell, and I got right here the 8-gallon, and it's just quiet 8-gallon compressor, 125 max psi, right? And as you can see right here, it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, it's a little bit bigger than the 3-gallon. And we are gonna do a test about the noise reduction. Okay, we're gonna turn this one on. As you can see, it's a little bit loud. Now we're gonna test this one. As you can see, the 8-gallon is it's quiet. It doesn't make too much noise right there. And okay, we are gonna turn this and we're gonna turn it off. Okay, as you can see, in the 8-gallon has 2 wheels right there, and this one doesn't have any wheels. Yeah, it didn't come with wheels. So the 8-gallon one is like this, as you can see right here, designed for you can read right there: inflation, painting, finish, nailing, bolting, tightening, whatever you say, it's right there. In a 3-gallon, 8-gallon, we're gonna see which one stops first. This one is only 110 psi, and this one is 125. Yeah, let's see which one finishes first. Let's start with this one. And okay, this one just stopped right here, 125 psi. This is 125 right here, and this one is on like an 85 psi. So this one is faster. This one is quieter and and faster. And this one, let's say, is smaller, louder, and slower. Yeah. So you choose which one you're gonna get. This is 120, like $126. Not sure how much is this one, but it's about almost like $100. Yeah, not sure how much it is right now, but probably it's less than $100. Yeah, I mean, you can carry this in your car. Yeah. Okay, thanks for watching.